आपका स्वागत है ओम मंडली में।
धन्यवाद।
Welcome to
दीदी
Didi to Om
चाहते हैं
Mandali,
कि
and she
हम
says
ओम
thank
की
you.
ध्वनि करें। सभी
So
सीधे
Didi
बैठ जाएं।
wants to start the Om Mandali with the chant of the word Om. So everyone's
बंद करना चाहे तो कर
straight and
सकते हैं।
alert. If you
अंदर
want to
सांस
close your
लें।
eyes, you may. Take in a deep breath.
शांति। 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 आज के ओम मंडली के सेशन के बाद हमारे टोरंटो के भाइयों ने बहुत सुंदर स्किट बनाई है। तो आप सभी से
After the Om
निवेदन है
Mandali
कि आप जरूर
session,
स्किट
the
देखें।
Toronto brothers have
दीदी
created
आपको भी।
a very beautiful skit. It's a request for everyone to watch that skit and take the benefit. And we're requesting Didi as well. Didi saying
जाएं
yes
फिर
for
से
sure.
पीछे।
So Didi, shall we do a little
तो हमारी
recap?
बात चल
Shall
रही
we go
थी
back in time?
1957
So we were
से
talking about
1962 के बीच की,
1957 till
जहाँ
1962.
आप मधुबन भी
We were
बहुत
talking
बार
the
जा
time in
चुके,
between
सेवाएं
where you
में भी
had
लग
gone
गए
to Madhuban
हैं
several times.
और
You were involved in
बाबा से भी काफ़ी
service.
आपका कम्युनिकेशन, दादियों से
You had a lot of
इधर उधर
communication
जाना,
with
वैकेशन में भी
Baba,
सेवाओं के लिए जाना,
Dadi. You would go
पढ़ाई भी करते रहना,
for
सवेरे
service.
5:30
You
मुरली
would also
क्लास में भी
study,
जाना।
go to Mabas
और
Murli in the morning at 5
आपने एक बारी भी
a.m.
कहा था कि वहाँ
And
एक
once you
बहुत
shared
सुंदर
that
लक्ष्मी नारायण का टेम्पल
there
है
was a very beautiful Lakshmi
आपकी
Narayan temple in
यूनिवर्सिटी
Delhi.
के बाजू में।
Maybe it was close
तो
to her
वहाँ भी आप
university.
उसका एक अनुभव आपने सुनाया था।
You had
तो
shared this
वो भी
once.
सुनना चाहेंगे, पर उससे पहले मैं
We would
थोड़ा
like to
सा
listen to that as well. But
अव्यक्ति
before that,
परिवार को
I
लिंक
wanted
बताना
to just give a
चाहती हूँ
link to
कि
Avyakti
आपका
Parivar
ये जो ज्ञान में आना
that you came
और
into
आपके ज्ञान में
Gyan.
आने के साथ साथ आपके लौकिक परिवार में भी कई
Many
सदस्य
people in your
ज्ञान में
Lokik
आए।
family also
तो
came
सबसे
to
पहले
Gyan.
तो ओम मंडली में
So
1936 में आपकी
1936, your
मासी और
auntie
मासा
and uncle,
वो यज्ञ में
they
समर्पित
surrendered
हुए।
into the yajna.
उसके बाद
And
जब
when you
आप
came
दिल्ली में
to
आए
Delhi,
तब आपके एक
then
मामा
one of your
अहमदाबाद में
Mamaji, that is
और
mom's
एक
brother,
मामा बॉम्बे
was
में
in Ahmedabad, and one
शिफ्ट हो गए
shifted
थे
to
और
Mumbai,
एक
and
मामा
one
आपके साथ थे
Mamaji, your
दिल्ली में
uncle, stayed in
और
Delhi.
आपकी एक
And
मासी
two
दो
aunts
मासियों की
got
शादी हो गई
married
थी
who were in Bombay.
जो बॉम्बे में थी। और आप जो मामा जिनके साथ रहते थे वो गोपाल दादा,
And the uncle
वो
with
भी ज्ञान
whom
में
you
आ गए
stayed
थे।
was Gopal Dada.
मामी
He had
जो
come
गीता
into
दीदी
knowledge.
जो
Mami
श्रीफूड
is Geeta
सेंटर अभी
Didi.
भी हैं,
She's
वो भी
now
काफ़ी
the
ज्ञान में
instrument
आके
in
काफ़ी
Siri Food
सेवाएं
Center.
करती।
And she
उनकी
also came
बेटी
into
काफ़ी
Gyan and
छोटी
was
थी,
doing a
शायद
lot
10
of
साल की,
service. And
तो
Shanti
वो
Didi
भी
is
साथ
her
में ही
daughter.
रहते थे।
They all stayed
और
together.
आपके भाई वो
And
भी
your
ज्ञान में आ गए
brother,
थे
he also came into
और
Gyan.
उनकी जो गंधर्वी विवाह हुआ आपकी
And
फ्रेंड के साथ वो भी ज्ञान में थे।
he was
और
a
आपकी
pure marriage was
एक और
conducted between her
मासी
brother and her friend.
जो मासी बॉम्बे में थे
And your aunt who was in
उनकी एक
Bombay,
बेटी
she has
बीना
a
बहन
sister Beena Ben, and who is in Chennai, and she's in Gyan. She's surrendered, and one is Leela Ben, one is Beena Ben, and there's another sister called Lakshmi Ben. Her daughter Leela Ben's daughter is Beena.
So इस रीति से
So there were
काफी
a
सारे
lot.
सदस्य ज्ञान में आए
I don't have to repeat. You know more than I do.
और
And
आपकी
your
जो
eldest
सबसे बड़ी
sister
बहन थी वो भी
was
शादी
married
की
in
हुई थी बॉम्बे में पर वो भी
married
फिर
in
वापस
Mumbai. She
दिल्ली में
came
आई
back to
और वो
Delhi
भी
and
ज्ञान
then
में
surrendered
समर्पित हुए
in Yagya.
और फिर आपकी
Your
जो
middle
बीच
sister,
वाली जो बहन थी
her
वो
husband also
उनके
came into
हस्बैंड भी
Gyan
फिर
and
ज्ञान
he
में
was
आए
in
वो बॉम्बे में
Mumbai.
ही थे
I mean to
So,
say
कहने का
that
मतलब ये है कि
you keep
आपकी
saying
आप जो
the
हमेशा कहते
entire
हैं कि काफी
many
परिवार
many
के
family
सदस्य
members
ज्ञान
came
में आ
into
गए थे तो ये
knowledge,
सारे
and they all
गिने
many
आप
of them surrendered
समर्पित
as
भी हुए
well.
काफी
I have not counted,
तो गिना
but
तो
there
नहीं
were
मैंने
many
पर
many people
काफी
who have
सारे
surrendered.
समर्पित
And
भी
one
हुए
very nice
और
thing
एक
which
बहुत
I
अच्छी बात
understood,
मुझे
which I want to
समझ
share
में आई
is
जो मैं व्यक्ति परिवार के साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगी कि मोहिनी दीदी की जो
the
जर्नी
journey of
रही
Moini
कि
Didi
पहले
when
नाना के
she used
साथ
to stay
रहते
with her
थे और फिर
grandfather.
बाबा को
Then
मतलब बाबा
she
के साथ
started to have
कनेक्शन बनना शुरू हुआ
connection
पत्र
with
व्यवहार
Baba through
और
letter
बहनों के
correspondence
साथ
and with
एंड
the
देन धीरे
sister
धीरे मधुबन
until
जाने
she
तक
reached
और फिर
Madhuban.
आगे जैसे
And as she went on
प्रोसेस
in the
में
journey,
ऐसा
she
हुआ
used to
कि
study
पढ़ाई भी
as well,
चलती रही
and
और
her
जो
her
घर था
Lokik
आपका
house
लौकिक वो
automatically
अपने आप
became a
सेंटर बनता
center.
गया
And
और जो
those
घर
who
में
were
रहने
staying
वाले
at
थे
the
वो अपने
house,
आप
they
समर्पित होते गए
automatically
तो
started to
इट्स वेरी
surrender. It's a very
इंटरेस्टिंग
beautiful
सिनेरियो ना
scenario.
दीदी
The
कि
entire
एक पूरा
Lokik
का पूरा
family,
लौकिक
the
परिवार
Lokik family,
लौकिक घर
Lokik
को
home, it
पूरा
became a
बदलकर एक
center.
बाबा का
And whoever
सेंटर
was
बन गया
staying, they
और
all
जो भी रहने
surrendered
वाले थे
as
वो
well.
सारे के सारे समर्पित भी हो
It's
गए
a
तो बहुत सुंदर एक
beautiful,
बाबा का
it's
कमाल है
Baba's
तो
magic.
आज एक्चुअली श्रीफोर्ट जो सेंटर है वो
And
भी
Sirifort Center,
उसी का
what is there in Delhi?
कंटिन्यूएशन है
It's
जहाँ
actually a
गीता दीदी और
continuation
शांति
where
दीदी निमित्त बन के
Geeta
चले
Didi and Shanti Didi became
तो ये दीदी
instruments,
का
started
थोड़ा
to.
लौकिक
So
बैकग्राउंड
this was
राइट
these
दीदी
Lokik, a
एनी
Lokik
करेक्शन
background. Do you have to do any correction?
जो मैंने
Do
बताया
you
वो
have to do
सब
any
राइट है ना
correction? Is it all right?
कि कुछ ऐड
Or do you
करना
have
है
to
और
add?
कुछ
I feel that you know more accurately than I do.
तो अभी आगे
So
हम
we'll
चलते
move
हैं
forward.
कि दीदी आपने कहा था कि फिर धीरे धीरे स्टडी भी
You
कंप्लीट
study,
हुई
you
और
finished your
आप
completion, your
पूरी तरह से
study,
घर ही
you
सेंटर
sent,
बन
your
गया
home
था
became
तो
centered,
आपकी
you kind of
समर्पित रूप से
started
जीवन
living a
जीना शुरू हो
surrendered
गया
life
आपका
as well.
तो
So from
62 से लेकर के
1962,
फिर आप किस प्रकार से
how did you
सेवाओं
move
में आगे
along in
बढ़े
service? What
क्या
happened
क्या
in your
जर्नी में
journey?
हुआ स्पेशली
Especially,
मम्मा का भी
Mama
कई
also
बार
came
आना जाना
multiple
रहा
times to your
और
place,
मम्मा के
and you
साथ भी
had
आपका
a
काफ़ी
very deep
रिलेशनशिप बहुत
relationship
ही
with
गहरा
Mama.
था
And
और
also with
दादियों के साथ
daddies,
भी
you
आपका
had
रिलेशनशिप
a very
बहुत ही
deep
गहरा रहा
relationship.
तो
How
वो
did this
सब
happen as
कैसे
you
आगे
moved?
बढ़ा और
When did you
आपने
start learning
गाड़ी
driving a
चलाना कब
vehicle?
सीखा
I
मैंने
heard
सुना
that
है
you
कि
used
आप
to
गाड़ी भी
drive a car
चलाते
as
थे
well.
मोटर
She used to drive an ambassador
तो
car.
एम्बेसडर अच्छा
Where
वो
did you get
कहाँ
this
से
car
आई थी
and
वो
how did you drive?
कैसे चलाते थे मतलब कैसे चलाना सीखा और कैसे सेवाओं में
जैसे
आपने
आगे सीट पर बैठ के
How did you learn to drive? She's like, I used to just
और
sit in
क्या
the
करें
front seat. How would I drive?
बैठो और
Sit in
चलाओ
the front seat of a
तो
driver?
कहने का
I would
मतलब
drive.
और कैसे
How else
चलाएंगे
would you drive a car?
उन्हीं दिनों में आप
So
चलाते थे
when
मतलब
did you
जैसे निर्मल
start?
शांता
When
दादी
because
भी
Nirmal
चलाते
Shanta
थे ना
Dadi
तो
also
इसलिए
drives a car.
तो
So give us
थोड़ा
a
सा अभी
little,
आगे
take us a
62 से
little
लेकर
forward
के
from
जो भी सेवाओं
from
में आपने
1962, whatever you
अनुभव किए
experienced on the path of
तो
service.
यूनिवर्सिटी
So I
पूरी
come.
की
दीदी ये 62 से जब तक मम्मा व्यक्त हुए उस
I
दौरान
want
का
to
हम
listen
सुनना
from
चाहेंगे
1960 to
वही
1965.
ना
So I was
यूनिवर्सिटी में
studying
पढ़ते
in the
थे
university.
तो
One day
मम्मा
I
से
told
मैंने एक दिन
Mama
कहा
that
कि
it's too
बहुत है
much.
टू मच
I
है
need to go to college.
कॉलेज भी
I'm
जाओ
staying at the
सेंटर पे भी
center.
रहो फिर हर तरह
I
से
have to make food
खाना वगैरह
also.
भी
I used to
बनाते थे
make good. So
अच्छा
when
आता था
daddies
तो
and
दादी
didi
देने
would
आती
come, I
थी
used to make
तो
food
मैं ही
for them. I used
बनाती
to
थी
cook.
खाना उनके लिए तो ये सब तो बहुत ज़्यादा है मुश्किल होता है तो मम्मा ने कहा
It used to
कुछ
become a
मुश्किल नहीं
lot
है
and it becomes a little
तो वैसे
difficult.
करो पैड लेके
Mama
आओ
said nothing is difficult.
पेन लेके आओ
Do
मैं
get a
तुमको बताती
notepad,
क्या करो
get a notepad and a pen,
सब
and I will
लिखो
tell
जो
you what
कुछ
to do.
आपको सवेरे से शाम तक करना है
Write down
लिखो
whatever you have to do from
कॉलेज जाना
morning
है
till
इतने बजे
evening,
जाना है
write
मुरली
it down.
पढ़नी है इतने
You have to,
सब
what time you
लिखो
have to go, to
और
study,
लिख
you have to
करके
read the
फिर आप
Murli,
तीन
write down
चार बजे के
everything.
करीब देखो कि
And
क्या क्या पढ़ा है
around
क्या
3
नहीं
or 4 o'clock, check what all has been completed, what has not completed. So I said, this is really good. And when it stays in the head, oh, I have to do this, I have to do that. So Dadi and Mama taught us, first remove it from your intellect, write it down on your notepad. This will also be very useful to all of you. Otherwise, you will keep, oh, there's a lot to do, and otherwise that will be stuck in the mind. So that Didi would say, how will you remember Baba? Only if your intellect is free, you can remember Baba. So I used to write down everything. This time I have to do this time I have to do this. Whatever, 10, 15. When I watched at 3 or 4 o'clock, Mama would say, go check what has finished and what's left behind. And most of the things were done. So we just heat up our mind. This has to be done, this has to be done. So Bhumi still knows that I will have a little notepad next to my bed. I have to do this tomorrow. I don't keep it in my intellect. I write it down. If you keep anything in the intellect, then how will you remember Baba? It is still, that is my nature. So if anybody sees, they feel that I am free. They'll see me doing work. But at most of the time, they'll say, people will always keep saying, oh, this also has to be done, that also has to be done. I have never done that. So there used to be a neurologist doctor who would come. So let's see. There are about 1,000 buttons on your brain. So you will remember 1,000 things. Some people will have a little ego, or they have, or maybe intellectual. So they remember so many phone numbers. So all those buttons are gone. If you have to remember 20, 12 phone numbers from 100. So it occupies so many places, neurons. So the neurologist would say, the most important telephone number, just remember that, of your house, or just 3 or 4, maximum 5. Because people would think, oh, and they were very happy that I remember all these numbers. And he would say, this is not something to be intelligent. The buttons in your brain, you are using it in an inappropriate way. Many times you keep saying that you don't remember. I don't remember. But at the time of need, what is there at home, what is center, many will forget, but I will say it is there somewhere. Isn't it, Boo? So what happens is, what Mama gave us the training, because she stayed with us for 5 days. So one day I told Mama, this is a very long daily routine. Mama said, no, write down. No, it is not lot. And then Moini Didi, she also would always have a notepad and pen. Whatever comes to your mind, write it down. It is not that, oh, hope I don't forget. Oh, I should remember, I shouldn't forget. So see how many thoughts you wasted, how much energy you wasted by just thinking of it. So Manmoini Didi and Mama taught me when I was young. Young means 18, 20 years of age. That I have still kept in my life, that I should not keep. I keep hearing, listening to many things. We have to do this. Oh, what do you have to do? Lots to do, lots to do. So now change that. Now say, yes, there is work to be done. So what will happen is, where you have to remember, you will also remember points of Murli. Many times I see the Murli is finished. Everybody gets into doing, make breakfast. When a call comes, they'll say, somebody calls to listen to Baba's Murli, and they keep wondering, what did Baba say? It's not even 10 minutes, and they've forgotten Baba's points as well. Because many other things, the brain is occupied with many other things. So you have to make the effort. Yes, you have to do many other things. It is not that we left anything. Whatever has to be done, we will do it today. We won't postpone it for tomorrow. And the second thing that Mama, I think it was Baba who made it this discipline, that all of us
क्लास पूरी हो जाती थी 8:20 पर।
After class
फिर
is
उन दिनों
finished,
में
it used to
इंडिया में
finish
तो
around
जब तक एक
8:20 or
गिलास
so.
दूध नहीं पिए ना तो वो सोते हैं नींद ही नहीं आएगी।
In
अच्छा है
those days,
प्रोटीन
this is
भी
about
है,
the evening class.
इसी भी
They
कारण
used
से
to
आपने
think
देखा
that
होगा
if
ना
you don't
गरम
drink a
गरम
glass of milk, it's
ग्लास
as if
में दूध।
you don't get
अभी भी आप
sleep.
जाओ शांतिवन में
So even
तो
when you
लाइन
go to
लगी हुई
Shantivan,
होती है,
there will be a
सब
line for
ग्लास
having
लेके
a
खड़े
glass
हैं
of milk.
और दूध पीना। एक दिन मैंने पूछा ये नल
So
बंद कैसे
as
होता है, तो
how does
बड़े
this
तेज से दूध दूध आ
the
रहा है।
milk was coming with a lot of
तो
force, how
कहते
do I
वो
close
बस
it?
कप जितना ही आएगा।
And they
मैंने
said
कहा
it'll
नहीं तो
only
लोग
fill
तो
as a cup.
फिर कैसे, ये तो
It'll automatically
नल
stop.
बह रहा है जैसे।
Otherwise, it will flow
तो
like
कहने
a
का भाव ये
like
है
a tap.
कि
So what I want to say is,
अपनी बुद्धि को इतना फ्री रखो,
keep your intellect
काम भी
free.
अच्छा होगा,
Your work also will be done very well.
याददाश्त
Your
शक्ति जिसको
memory
कहते हैं ना,
will also be very
याददाश्त
good.
बोलते हैं ना, वो अगर आपको बहुत एज तक
If you want to
जाएगी
have a good memory to a
तो
lot
ज्यादा नहीं
of
दिमाग में भरना
years
करो,
age, then don't
पर
keep too
भूलो
much in
भी
your.
नहीं।
But at the same time, don't
आजकल
forget.
तो छोटी
So the
भूल गए,
younger one says,
नहीं
I
मैं तो
forgot
भूल
this,
गया।
I forgot that.
बाबा को ब्रह्मा बाबा
Brahma
को
Baba,
कोई
and
नहीं
for
कह
anybody,
सकता।
you could never say you forgot that.
एक बाबा को
Baba
स्लो
didn't like
स्पीड
anything
नहीं
you do
पसंद
slow.
थी,
He didn't
दूसरा
want anyone to
भूलना
do anything
भूल नहीं
slowly,
सकता।
and also he didn't like if anyone forgot.
बाबा ने एक बार दीदी मनमोहिनी को कहा
Once
कुछ
Baba
करने के
said,
लिए, तो फिर
Baba said something to Manmani
टाइम
Didi
हो
to
गया,
do.
3-4 बज गए, तो पूछवाया बाबा ने,
So Baba
बच्ची ने
reminded,
किया
did
कि ये
the
किया,
daughter do this? So
तो दीदी ने कहा
Didi
मैं तो
said,
भूल गई।
I
मैंने क्या ये
forgot. So
बड़ी
then
मिस्टेक है कि
Didi
छोटी?
asked, is it a very small
बहुत
mistake or a
बड़ी
big
मिस्टेक
mistake?
है,
Baba said, it's a
क्योंकि
big
तुमने जो
mistake
नहीं किया
because of you not
उसके
doing
कितनों को
it.
संकल्प
Something she
चलेंगे,
had to give something for repair,
कुछ
and
रिपेयर
because
के
you
लिए देना
forgot,
था।
and
तो
tomorrow that
जिसने
person
दिया
needed,
जिसको
if
जरूरत है
this
कल
person is not
चाहिए,
gone to repair
वो
it,
गया
how
ही
is
नहीं
it
तो
going to
रिपेयर
happen?
कैसे होगा? तो जरा दीदी
So Didi
सीरियस हो
became
गई कि मेरे
serious.
से तो बड़ी
Oh, I made
गलती
a
हो गई।
grave
फिर 1
mistake.
मिनट के बाद बाबा
And the
ने
next
कहा,
minute, Baba said,
बच्ची ड्रामा में गलती
child,
होती है,
can there be a mistake in the drama?
ड्रामा
No,
हो
it's
गया
a drama.
तो
So
रियलाइजेशन
realize
भी
it as
करो,
well. But at the same time,
परंतु उसके साथ साथ
immediately
इमीडिएटली रियलाइजेशन
have the
करके
realization
भूलते
and
जाओ,
forget it.
ये नहीं कि
Not that
फिर
you keep
याद रहे
remembering it
सारा टाइम
again
वही
and
याद
again
कर
and
रहे हैं।
again.
तो ये जो हमारी
So this,
सिमरती
Baba
की
talks
बाबा
about
बात करते हैं
awareness, what
कि
we
क्या
should keep it in our
सिमरती में रखना
awareness.
है क्या नहीं। दूसरा बहुत
You were
ज्यादा
talking about
लक्ष्मी
Lakshmi
नारायण के
Narayan
मंदिर की
Mandir
बात, वो भी
temple, that
पहले
is
की
also
ही
of the
है।
early days.
तो जर्नलिज्म बाबा को
I
बहुत
was
था,
in
अपना
journalism
न्यूज़पेपर
and
हो अपने,
I had to
या
go to
सेवा करो
television and
जाके
radio
रेडियो
stations,
स्टेशन
media,
टेलीविज़न
newspapers. I had to go and
अखबारों
do
में जाके
service.
सेवा
So
करो।
I
तो
thought, okay,
हमने
let
कहा
me get
चलो
some training.
थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग ले लेते हैं।
So I did a
तो
diploma
डिप्लोमा
of
होता था
2.5
1.5 साल
years.
का,
And the
इवनिंग में
daytime
जाते थे, दिन भर तो सेंटर पर होते थे, शाम को मैं जाती थी। तो जो कॉलेज था उसके बिल्कुल साथ में
daytime I used
लक्ष्मी
to
नारायण
do
का जो
go to
मंदिर नहीं
college. In the
बाबा
evenings,
कहते
I
हैं,
would go for seva.
बड़ी बड़ी
So
लंबी
this
दोनों
Lakshmi
की
Narayan
मूर्तियां,
temple
आंखें एकदम
was a
दिव्य। रोज
huge
मैं पहले वहां जाती
idol,
थी,
very
वो देख
divine.
के
But
उनको
initially,
फिर
I would
बहुत
go
देखती थी,
there
फिर
every
कॉलेज
day. I
में
would
जाती
see
थी,
them,
फिर
and
रात
then I
को
would go to
9:15
college.
बजे बस से जाते आते थे,
And
40
I used to
मिनट्स के
go by
करीब
travel
लगते
by
थे।
bus, which
तो
was about 40 minutes drive.
85
And
बॉयज थे,
about 9:45,
उस
there were
कॉलेज में हम
85
3
boys
बहनें
in
थी,
the college, and there were
क्योंकि
3 sisters.
जर्नलिज्म
That's all.
में ज्यादा उन दिनों में
Because those
बहनें
days,
नहीं
not
पढ़ती
many
थी,
women went into
लड़कियां ही पढ़ती
journalism.
थी, लड़के ज्यादा
So
थे।
there were 85
तो हम
boys
लोग
and 3
पीछे 3
girls.
बैठ जाते थे।
So 3 of
एक
the
बहुत
girls used to
बड़े
sit
घर
all the
की
way at the
थी,
back, and one was from a
मैं
very
थी तो
affluent
सिंपल भी थी पर
family. I was
पर्सनैलिटी थी।
very simple, but I
फिर
had a
एक
good
तीसरी हम
personality.
तीनों
And 3 of us used to
पढ़ते थे
sit, stand,
जर्नलिज्म।
study.
तो ये लक्ष्मी नारायण के मंदिर में
And
रोज जाती
I
थी।
used to go to the Lakshmi Narayan temple every day.
तो सीखा,
So I learned
बहुत कुछ
a lot.
सिखाते थे दादी हमको।
दीदी आपका वो साक्षात्कार का पार्ट भी तो बढ़ता गया, आई मीन सॉरी,
So your part of becoming
संदेशक
like a
के रूप में
trans
जाने का पार्ट
messenger
भी तो
also
बढ़ता गया।
started
आपने
to
कल
enhance. You had
ये
told
कुछ
the other
बताया
day,
था कि वो
like there are 3
3
types of
प्रकार की
messengers.
संदेशियाँ होती है।
So
तो
that
फिर धीरे
part
धीरे
also,
आपको भी
you started to
लैंग्वेज बाबा की
understand the
समझ में आती
language of
गई
Baba, and you
और
started to
आप भी
take
संदेश
message
खिलाना
and
ले
bring back
जाना शुरू
messages
हो
also
गया था।
started.
और
Is that correct? I'm
राइट,
going on the right track?
तो
Any
उसका कोई
special
विशेष
experience that you want to
अनुभव
share?
कोई और
Many
कई
people
लोग
say,
कई लोग कहते हैं
when
जब
they say you
सुनाई
can't,
नहीं पड़ता है तो
many
आपको
people say you're not
कैसे
able to
समझ में
hear,
आता
but
है।
how are you able to
तो हम
understand?
उन दिनों में, आपको याद है
And
इंडिया
those
में अभी
days
भी है,
they were
पुलिस वैन
traffic
होता है,
police. and they would just show a signal. No, they'll say stop, move left, right, don't they?
नहीं ऐसे करते हैं ना. अभी एक गांव का आदमी आया दिल्ली.
So if there is a
तो
person
पुलिसमैन के
from a
सामने
villager,
खड़े, ये क्या कर रहे
when
हो?
they stand in
क्योंकि
front of
उसको
the
बिल्कुल
policeman,
आइडिया
and
नहीं
if
था कि वो
because he
तो
has no
रास्ता बता रहे
idea
हैं,
what the
ट्रैफिक
policeman is
रेगुलेट कर
doing,
रहे
he's
हैं.
just
तो
regulating the
गांव वाला
traffic to go or
मतलब
come. So
उसको
if it's
समझ ही
from a
नहीं आया.
village, he would
हम
have
मिसाल
no
लेते थे
idea.
कि वतन में
So
भी
we would
ऐसे ही
give
होता है.
them
पहले जब
that
जाते हैं
analogy.
तो
When you go
ये
first
वो
time
ऐसे
to the
देखते हैं,
subtle region, we
फिर
keep
समझ नहीं
watching and
आता.
you don't understand. And
तो
slowly
किसी
you
को
understand.
कितनी अभी क्या एक्सप्लेन
How
करें
do I
कि
even
कैसे
explain
मन में
the
बिल्कुल
mind?
एक्यूरेट आ
In
जाता
my
है.
heart of the soul,
थॉट
accurate thought emerges.
सुन भी नहीं
You're
रहे
not
हैं,
listening anything. There's no sound.
लेकिन सामने
In
बाबा है
front, there is Baba.
और जैसे लिप्स
It's as if the
और
lips are
हमारे
moving a little and
ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है
the
हमको
vibes or the
बिल्कुल
thoughts
कनेक्ट
are
कर.
getting transmitted.
अभी तो बाबा
And
बातें
now
करते हैं,
Baba
सब
talks.
बातें. कई मुझे कहते हैं
And
आपको
many
इतना
people
कैसे
ask, how
याद
do you
रहता
remember
है.
so much?
मैंने कहा भगवान
So I
की
said,
बात
how
थोड़ी
can I
भूलेंगे.
forget what
कभी
God is
कभी एक
speaking?
आध
Very,
बार
very
होता है, बट
seldom I
मोस्टली
might have
इतना
forgotten,
भी
but
संदेश
most of
होता
the
है ना वो.
messages,
तो ये
it's a
डेवलप हो जाती
faculty
है ना
that you
फैकल्टी.
develop.
तो
And this
ये
was a
फायदा
benefit
जरूर
that I
मुझे हुआ
had, that I
कि
started to
भावनाएं
understand
समझना
the
लोगों की.
feelings of people. If
किसी
anybody
के
has
मन के
something
अंदर
in their
कोई बात
heart,
है तो वो आपको पहुंचे
that
और आप
you
उसकी
should be able
बात
to
को पूरा
fulfill
कर दो.
what's in their mind. If you're thinking of
किसी के
someone
लिए हम सोच
that
रहे
I need
होते
to
हैं
give this
कि
person
हमको
this,
ये देना है, या
and
वो
they are also
संकल्प
coming with the
करके आ
same
रहे हैं
thought,
कि
I need
हमें भी ये
this.
मिलना चाहिए. तो क्या हो जाता है कि सतयुग में
So in golden age, what
वस्तुतः
happens is
थॉट टू थॉट कम्युनिकेशन
there
है
is a
ज्यादा.
communication from thought to
अभी तो
thought.
बोलते हैं ना, अभी तो 2 बार बोलते हैं तो भी
Nowadays,
आधे
even when I
सुनते
say
हैं आधे
2
नहीं.
times, only
तो
they
मैं
listen just half
देखती
of
हूँ कि
it.
अभी
I
ने
see.
सुना है पर
Did they
नहीं सुना
listen?
है.
I see they're hearing it, but
और
they're not
यहाँ
hearing
तो
it.
हमारी जो फैकल्टी है माइंड की,
But the
तो
faculty of
माइंड
the
टू
mind,
माइंड, जैसे
it was from mind
संकल्प
to
हमको
mind.
आएगा,
And
संकल्प आपको
Baba
आएगा.
gets that thought, and
फिर
I
जब
also
कहेंगे
catch
तो
that
अरे
thought.
मैं भी यही सोच
And
रही
we
थी,
say, oh, and
मैं भी
others
यही
also
सोच
say, I
रहा
was
था.
also thinking the
नहीं,
same
इस
thing.
तरह
Do you
से
feel that?
तो वो जैसे
So in
सूक्ष्म
this, it
वतन
becomes like a
का
subtle region
कम्युनिकेशन
also.
सिस्टम है.
This is the
एक बार
system of
बाबा ने कहा था ना
communication.
कि वतन
Once
में
Baba had mentioned,
सूक्ष्म पॉजिटिव
there is a
संकल्पों से
subtle
कारोबार
positive
चलता है. तो इस तरह
way
से
that
आप लोग भी,
communication happens.
हम तो कई बार बाबा
Many
के साथ
times we would
बैठ के
sit with Baba and
देखो
Baba
करो,
try
बाबा
and
से
see,
बात
talk to
करो,
Baba.
पर
But don't
इंतजार
keep
नहीं करो
waiting
जवाब
for
के
an
लिए.
answer. Baba, tell me the
आप
answer.
बता
Tell
दो
me the
बाबा
answer.
को.
Baba will not,
उस समय
many
जवाब
times,
नहीं
he will
देगा
not give you an
कहीं,
answer
पर
at that time,
मिलेगा.
but you will get an
अच्छा,
answer.
लोग
So
ये
many
कहते
people
हैं कि
ask,
अभी
how do
पता
you know
कैसे
it's
चले
Baba
कि
is
बाबा
telling me the
कह रहा है
answer or it's
या
something
मेरा
that's
मन
coming
कह
from my
रहा है.
mind?
कैसे पता चले कि मेरे
How would
मेरे
you
मन
know?
की बात है. तो
Is it
अगर
the
आपके
thought of
मन
my
की है
mind
ना,
or it's coming
तो
from
आपको
Baba? If it is
वो
from your
संकल्प
mind,
अगर पूरा नहीं आया तो बहुत चलेगा.
if
ये नहीं
that
हुआ, ये
thought
नहीं
is
हुआ.
not
अगर बाबा
fulfilled,
की
you will
तरफ
have a
से
lot
है
of waste thought. This didn't happen, that
तो
didn't happen.
ये
And
नहीं
if it's
हुआ तो
coming on
मेरा
the
थोड़ी संग. तो ये
on
जो
behalf of Baba, you
हलचल
will say it's
होती है
okay. If didn't
वो
happen,
मन
it's
के
okay.
कारण,
So the
अगर
fluctuation
बाबा
that would
की है तो
happen in the
आपको
mind won't
हलचल नहीं
happen.
होगी.
If it is coming on through Baba,
आप
you will not
निश्चिंत रहेंगे
fluctuate. You will
कि अगर
stay
बाबा ने
free
कहा
from
है
worry.
तो हो
If Baba
जाएगा,
has said,
होगा.
then it will happen. It
अगर
has to
मेरा
happen.
है
If it is mine,
क्यों नहीं हो रहा,
then you will have the
उन्होंने
thought,
नहीं
why would
माना,
that happen?
किसने.
This
ये
didn't
हलचल
happen.
होती है ना
There will
जैसे.
be this
तो
upheaval.
अभी आप साल का ही पूछ रहे हैं
So you're just asking me
तो
about
मम्मा
years.
दिल्ली में बहुत रेगुलर
Mama would
आती
come
थी.
to Delhi
कि
regularly.
हर साल में
Did
एक
she come
बार
every
या
year? Yes.
साल में
Did
एक
she
बार
come
2 बार?
2-3
2 3
times?
बार. जैसे अभी
Like if she had to
लखनऊ
go to
जाना है
Lucknow, she
तो
has to go
दिल्ली
to
से आएगी,
Delhi
कानपुर
and then
जाना है.
Kanpur.
थोड़े जो सेंटर्स थे
They
वो
would call
बुलाते
the
थे
mama.
तो आप जो यहाँ रहते थे, मतलब जैसे हमने बताया कि आगे समझा कि
So we
लौकिक
understood
घर
your
अभी
Laukik
सेंटर हो गया,
house
तो
also
वहाँ
had
आके
become
रहते थे.
center.
भी
No, she
प्रॉपर
says no, it
सेंटर ही
was a
था.
proper center. Did
एक
mama come and stay
हमने
there?
कैसे हुआ ड्रामा
So
नोता
as per drama,
कि लौकिक
even
में
in
भी
the Laukik,
अलौकिक
we all had
संबंध
an
था.
हाँ वही.
Alaukik
नहीं, मैंने आपको
relationship.
बताया कि हम लोग
Example I
हैलिफैक्स
gave
में
you
रहे
was we stayed in
9 मंथ.
Halifax.
तो
So we
जिनके
stayed
घर
in
में हम
somebody's
रहे 3
family
महीने
for
रहे,
3 months,
फिर
and
हमने
our
कहा भाई
visa
अभी
is
हमको
gone,
जाना है, वीसा
expired. Now
पूरा
we
हुआ
have
है.
to go.
नहीं, आप लोग अपने
So he said, "Give
पासपोर्ट
me your
दो,
passports.
हम
I will
वीसा
extend
एक्सटेंड
your
करें.
visa.
तो
The
ज़्यादा
most
से
would be
ज़्यादा
1
1
month."
महीना और रहेंगे. तो वो पासपोर्ट लिए
So he took our passport,
मेरे साथ चंद्रा बहन थी, वो
and
मेरी बड़ी
Chandra
बहन
Ben
थी।
is my elder sister.
दीदी
She
ने
was
कहा
there with
तुम
me.
ले जाओ, थोड़ा
So
उसको
Didi said, take her and go.
एक्सपीरियंस हो, वो
So she
इंग्लिश
will
तो
have
बोलती थी,
experience. She
तो
knew
हम
how to
कहीं
talk
और
in
भेज
English, so we
सकेंगे।
can
फिर
send her
वो
somewhere else.
मॉरिशस चली गई,
And then she went to Mauritius.
मॉरिशस में रही।
She stayed
तो
there.
वो देखा तो दोनों का लास्ट नेम सेम था।
So when they saw both our last names
अब
are the
दोनों का
same.
लास्ट नेम सेम है, क्या ऐसा नहीं होता है क्या दुनिया
And
में?
so we asked, why it won't
क्या
be
आप
the
लोग
same?
बहनें
So
हो?
they asked, are you both
हाँ,
sisters?
3 महीने हम लौकिक
For
बहनें
3
रही, तो
months,
उनको
2
आइडिया नहीं था
Lokik
कि हम
sisters
लौकिक
stayed,
हैं।
but they never realized that they
क्योंकि क्या
both were
है कि
sisters.
हम लोग जब
We
ज्ञान
were
में
Lokik
आए,
sisters.
तो लौकिक
Because
अलौकिक
when we
बहुत था।
came
आजकल लोग कहते हैं मेरी
came into
मम्मी
Gyan, there
मेरा,
was a lot
हमने
of
कभी नहीं कहा,
Lokik and Alokik. They
हम
say, this is
कहते
my Lokik
लौकिक मम्मा,
parents. It is not
ये
that
नहीं मेरा
my
मामा,
uncle, we
क्योंकि
would say
लौकिक हो
Lokik
गया ना,
mama.
तो वो
That
बहुत था
word was used a
लौकिक
lot. This is
अलौकिक।
Lokik or
तो
Lokik,
मुझे ये लगता है कि
worldly and
हमारे व्यवहार
unworldly.
में कभी कभी
So
लौकिक
sometimes when we
तरीके से
talk
हम
about
बोलते
in a
हैं,
very
या
Lokik
वो नहीं
way,
होना चाहिए।
to the extent
जितना
that
आप
you are a
अलौकिक रहेंगे
Lokik,
ना,
there is that
अट्रैक्शन है।
pull or attraction. So then
उससे
what
क्या होता है
happens?
कि
There
संबंधों
is a
में
new
एक
way,
नए तरह
there's an
का सुख
alaukic
होता है, जो
pleasure in the
अलौकिक होता है।
relationship. If it is alaukic,
लेकिन अगर
then you
लौकिक
become
होता है,
sensitive.
तो फिर
Then they are
सेंसिटिव होते हैं,
expecting
ये नहीं
this and
आप
that.
सही
Otherwise,
एक्सपेक्ट
all
कर
of
रहे हो,
that will
कहने वो
finish.
सब खत्म हो जाता। तो क्योंकि बहुत था लौकिक अलौकिक ना, तो
So there used to
सेंटर
be
पे
in big houses
देखो
on
बड़े
one
घर
side,
होते थे,
there
एक
would be
साइड
like
पर
2 big
रहने का होता
halls.
था,
There was a
2
room
बड़े
for
हॉल हो
course.
गए, कोर्स के
So
लिए रूम
Seva
हो
also
गया।
continued.
तो ऐसे सेवा भी
And
चलती
the
रहती है।
Lokik family also was
और
there.
अगर
I give
लौकिक
this
कोई पढ़ रहा
direction
है,
to everyone. Wherever the
ये मैं
Loksis
जरूर
are,
सबको राय
wherever
देती हूँ
center
कि
is there
जहाँ
in
भी
Lokik,
लौकिक
there should
ये
not be
सेंटर
the
है,
Lokikness.
लौकिकपन
Otherwise,
नहीं हो,
people will say, this is a
तो
household.
नहीं तो दूसरे में ये तो प्रवृत्ति है जैसे, तो बाबा की जो प्रवृत्ति है उसी
Baba's
तरह से अगर हम
household
सब
should
कुछ
be
करें
like that spiritual.
तो एक अच्छी
Then there
फीलिंग
is
होती
a
है।
nice
जी वो तो
feeling.
मैंने भी
I
देखा है
also
क्योंकि
have
आप
seen,
मेरे को तो पता ही
I
नहीं
never
था कि वो
knew
आपकी
that they
मामी
were
है।
your mommy.
तो
Only
जब
when
बताया किसी ने
someone
ये
else
मामी
told
है,
me
ये
this is their
कजिन है,
cousin,
ये
that's when
है,
I
तब
realized
पता चलता
that
है
you have a
कि
Lokik
क्योंकि बहुत
relationship.
क्योंकि
ही
हमने
स्वीट
शुरू से
We, from the
अलौकिक
very
देखे,
beginning, we have kept
मैं
them
विदेश में
alokik.
थी
When
मैं
I was
कभी
in the
भी
Western world,
ये नहीं कि जब
it's
से
not
ये
that
फोन
any
पे
time
बात
I
कर रहे हैं
want, I
हमने
pick up the
कभी
phone
नहीं
and
किया।
talk to them. Never.
एक दिन
One
अचानक
day,
आया ख्याल कि
I
चलो
had the
आज
thought, let me
पूछे
call
कैसे
and
हैं,
tell.
तो वो लोगों को जरूरत होती थी किसी बात
And
का,
they would
मोहिनी बहन
say that
आपको
we,
याद
Moniben,
कर
we
रहे
were
थे
just remembering
इस
you to
बारे में
take
राय
an
लेनी।
opinion from
लेकिन
you.
ऐसे नहीं जैसे
It's
आजकल
not
हमने
that
देखा है,
every
चाचा को
now
फोन
and
कर
then
रहे हैं,
they're calling
उसको कर रहे
everyone.
हैं, तो
No.
हमने तो कभी नहीं
In my life,
लाइफ
I've
में
not called
लौकिक को
my
फोन किया।
Lokik only if
मतलब
there is
जब
a
बहुत
deep
जरूरी
necessity.
होगा तो
Once
ख्याल
in
आएगा। एक
Mauritius,
बार मॉरिशस
I'd
में
gone to
मैं
Africa. I was
अफ्रीका
sent to
में गई,
Africa,
मेजा मेजा
Kenya. News centers
केन्या
had called
वगैरह
in
में
Kenya
सेंटर
and other
नए खुले
places.
थे,
So Didi
तो
said, go
दीदी
all
ने
those
कहा कि
places. I
आप
went
सब
to
जगह
9
जाओ,
countries
तो
in
9
Africa
कंट्रीज में मैं
in
अफ्रीका गई।
1974, before I came to
74 की
US.
मतलब यहाँ
So
आने
when I
से
went
पहले,
there
हाँ भी
तो
वो
जब मैं गई
in
वहाँ पर
Africa,
यू नो अफ्रीका में, तो वहाँ पर मेरे को दादी जानकी कहती है
Dadi Janki
2
said,
दिन
go
मॉरिशस भी
for 2
चले
days,
जाओ ना।
Go to Mauritius for 2
तो
days. I
मैंने
said,
कहा
okay,
ठीक है,
it's
बिल्कुल
very
पास
close
में है,
by. Let me go.
मैं
I'll
चली
go for
जाती
2
हूँ 2
days.
दिन।
When I
जब
went
मैं
there,
गई तो चंद्रा बहन की
she
बड़ी
was
सर्जरी होनी
Chandra
थी।
Ben, her elder sister, had
अभी
to
हमें तो
undergo a
पता
big
भी नहीं,
surgery, and I didn't even know.
वो इसलिए नहीं बताते
She
कि
would
लो
not say
तुम
because
चिंता
she
हो,
didn't want us to
पर
worry.
कैसे मुझे
But
लौकिक
how even
सेवा, मतलब
it was
बहन
my,
के
I had got a
सेवा का
chance to
चांस
serve my
मिला।
Lokik sister.
मैं थी तो हिम्मत बढ़ती
The
है, बाकी
drama
हम
was
तो
like
क्या
that.
करते हैं, पर
And
कोई होता है तो
they
अच्छा
get
लगता है।
courage when
तो मुझे
somebody is
हैरानी
there.
हो रही
And
थी
I
कि
was surprised that you
आपको
didn't
अपने
have the
अंदर
thought
नहीं
that
है
I
कि
need to
मुझे
go, I
जाना
want
है,
to be with
मेरे को
them.
उनके लिए करना है,
But
लेकिन
if there
आपको
is a
अगर जरूरी
need,
है तो
Baba will
बाबा
make sure you
पहुंचा
go
देंगे।
there. And I was so
तो
surprised.
मैं
I
खुद
stayed there for
हैरान
2 days and I
था, 2
left.
दिन रही फिर मैं चली गई। तो उसके बाद मैं फिर भी गई हूँ 1-2 बार।
But
लेकिन
after that
कहने का
also I've
मतलब कि
gone a
अगर
couple of
हम
times there. What I
नहीं
want to
रखते
say
हैं ना,
is,
तो भी
if we
बाबा और
don't keep
ड्रामा,
that
आपकी जो
relationship,
ड्यूटी है, आपकी जहाँ
Baba
जरूरत है वहाँ
and
पहुँचा
drama,
देता है।
wherever
लेकिन
your
अगर आप
duty
अपनी
and
इच्छा से
necessity
जाते
is,
हैं
will
तो
make it
पता तो
happen. But
लगता
if
है
you
भाई
go
ये
on your own
अपना
interest,
थोड़ा
then you
बहुत तो
know there is still
कुछ भी
that
है, लोक लाज
Lokikness.
है, मोह है,
There is little
जरूरत है,
attachment
पर
or
आपने प्लान
necessary,
किया ना,
and you have
और
planned it.
बाबा बाबा आपको पहुंचा दे, मेरे
If
ऐसे कई
Baba
अनुभव
makes
है
you reach there,
कि
I have
बिल्कुल
many
टाइम
experience
पर,
on time.
लौकिक में कोई हॉस्पिटल जा रहा है, मैं
Somebody's going to the
पहुंच गया। तो हमारे
hospital, and I
लौकिक
reached
में क्या
there.
था, एक दिन
So once what
एक बार
happened?
गीता बहन बीमार थी,
Once Geeta
हमारी
Didi, her
मामी जी,
aunt, was sick,
तो मुझे जाना था, शिव
and
जयंती का
she had to
प्रोग्राम
go for
था।
a Shiv Jayanti
तो मैंने
program.
उनको बोला मैं
So
रुक
I said, I
जाती
will
हूँ
stay for a couple of
कि
days.
सेवा कौन
I'll do some
करेगा।
seva and go.
तो
You know
क्या
what she
बोलते
said?
हैं, जो आप सेवा करने जाएंगी वो हम
So the
नहीं कर
service
सकते,
that you can do,
पर जो
we
आप
can't do.
करना चाहती हो वो हम
What you
सब कर
want to do
सकते
now here, we can
हैं।
do.
तो मतलब
Even the
लौकिक
log
वाले
cakes
भी
also
हमेशा
have
ये
the same
समझते थे
vision.
कि ये लोग
Because
हमारे
of us, they
कारण नहीं
shouldn't be
रुके,
stopped. They should
ये
go.
लोग
They should
जाएं
go and
सेवा
do
करें
service.
सेवा करें।
And
तो
I would
मेरे
have the
अंदर में
same
यही आता
thought
था।
as well.
फिर एक
Once
बार
I was in
मैं
the
हॉस्पिटल
hospital,
में थी,
so no
तो
sister
कोई
couldn't
बहन
come
नहीं आई,
to be
आ
with
नहीं
me.
सकी।
So my Lokik
तो
mother came.
लौकिक माता जी
So I'll come and
ने कहा
sleep with
चलो
you
आज
in the
मैं सो
hospital.
जाती
And
हूँ
then in
आपके
the
साथ।
night she says,
फिर कहती है रात को,
I'm
मैं
not doing
इसलिए
this
तुम्हारी
seva
सेवा नहीं
because you're
करेगी
my
तो मेरी
daughter.
बेटी हो, मैं तो इसलिए कर रही हूँ तुम एक दिन विश्व की सेवा करोगी।
I'm doing this seva because
मैं
one day
हैरान
you
कि
will
ये
serve the world.
ऐसी भी माँ
I was
होती है जो
surprised. Will a
कहती
mother
मैं
be like
तुम्हारी
this?
सेवा नहीं, क्योंकि
I'm not
तुम्हारा
doing
ये
your
भविष्य
service
है।
because this
तो
is
एक
your future.
अलौकिकता थी
That's what
ना
I'm doing.
फैमिली में,
So there was like this
तो अच्छा लगता था।
alaukicness in the family, and it was very
तो
nice.
दीदी जैसे आपने कहा कि मम्मा भी काफ़ी बार आती
So
थी,
you
साल
said
भर
Mama
में
also
भी,
came a couple
और
of
बाबा
times,
भी
many times.
एक बार या कई बार आते
Baba
थे।
also
नहीं,
came a
क्या
couple of
होता था
times.
जब सर्दी
So when it
बहुत
used to
होती थी
be the season of
माउंट आबू
winter,
में, तो बाबा के लिए
Mount
थोड़ा
Abu, Baba
एज
was
बड़ी थी ना,
elderly.
तो या
So either he
बॉम्बे,
would go to
दिल्ली में भी काफी
Mumbai
ठंड
because
होती है
Delhi
बॉम्बे
also
में,
gets very
तो
cold.
बाबा जनरली
Mostly
बॉम्बे ही
Baba would
जाते
go
थे हर
to
साल।
Bombay and
दो
stay there
तीन
for
महीने
2-3 months,
कोई
and
ना कोई
somebody would
होस्ट
host
करता था
Baba over
बाबा को,
there.
या
And
फिर तो
sometimes he
खुद
would
लेने
come
आ
to
जाते
Delhi,
थे, पर विंटर के
तो
दिनों में,
साल में एक ही बार ना दीदी।
हाँ
and
विंटर में,
once Baba would come to
और आप
Delhi.
क्योंकि
मधुबन,
बाबा जूता मतलब कपड़े
Baba would
गर्म भी
not put a
बहुत
lot
नहीं
of
पहनते
warm
थे,
clothes. He would just
एक ही
wear one
कार्डिगन डाला,
cardigan. And even
चप्पल भी
his
खड़ाऊं की
footwear
तरह
was
बहुत
very light,
लाइट
that
होते थे,
wooden chappals he would
सर्दी
wear.
तो बहुत होती है ना वहाँ।
तो दीदी मुझे ये पता है कि मम्मा के साथ
I
भी
know you had
आपका
a very close
काफ़ी
relationship
नज़दीक
with
का
the Mama
संबंध
as
रहा,
well in
और जो
1965. When
1965 में
Mama
जब मम्मा व्यक्त हुई
became
उन
Avyak,
दिनों
you
की भी
also have
काफ़ी
very
अच्छी
beautiful
आपके
stories of
पास
with Mama.
कहानी है, पर
But
उससे
before
पहले
that, I would like to know that
मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि मम्मा बाबा के
from
ये
1962 and
1962 और
1965,
1965 के
you
दौरान
started to
में
do
आप जैसे
VIP
वीआईपी
service, and you went here
सेवाएं,
and there, and you
मतलब
have done many
इधर उधर
services.
जाके भी कई सेवाएं आपने की, तो उसमें कौन कौन सी
What kind
वीआईपी,
of
किस तरह
VIP
से आपने
service
इन
that
लोगों की
you?
सेवाएं शुरू की,
We would like
वो
to know
पहले
that.
हम जानना
What
चाहेंगे।
kind of VIP were served through you?
देखो क्या होता है ना कि थोड़ी
So we had
बेसिक
some basic
एजुकेशन थी,
education.
और बोलना,
I told
क्योंकि
you
मैंने आपको बताया ना कि हमारे यहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट के
because of
उसके
the
कारण
government
सोशल
connection, we had
सर्कल,
a good social
तो डिप्लोमेट्स
circle with
हैं,
the
ये हैं,
diplomats and
जाना
all.
आना मिलना
And
बहुत
even
होता
when
था,
we were young, we
छोटे थे
would
तब
go.
भी जाते थे।
And there were this
तो एक
etiquettes,
एटिकेट
and
भी
there is a
होता
way
है,
that you
बोलने
speak
का
with each
तरीका
other
भी
as
होता
well.
है, और तो फिर
So
बाबा
two
भी,
service. One,
तो दो
we used to do
सेवाएं,
a lot of service
एक
of
तो
the
मिनिस्टर
ministers
शादी की
because for
बहुत करते
some
थे,
reason or the other we
क्योंकि
had to
काम
go.
पड़ता रहता
And
था ना, कभी
secondly,
कुछ कभी कुछ।
press
दूसरा हमने फिर अखबार वालों की भी, जब जर्नलिज्म पूरा हुआ तो एक साल
newspaper.
जॉब
When we
करनी,
finished, when I
इंटर्नशिप
finished
करनी पड़ती थी।
journalism, I had
तो
to do
मैं तो
one
अपना
one
जाती
year
थी,
internship.
कोई भी एडिटर गई, हम जब गयाना
I
में
would go
गए,
to any of the
सावी
editors.
बैठी हुई है,
Even when we went
तो
to
ये लोग
Guyana,
ताला लगा
Savi is
के
sitting here.
सवेरे
They
मुरली
would
के बाद
lock
ताला
us
लगा
in the
देते
door.
थे
After
सेंटर
Murli,
को,
they would
और
lock
कहते थे
the
आप लोग बाहर
center,
नहीं जा सकते हो,
and
यहाँ लोग
would
जो है
say you
ना वो
can't go out.
नहीं
The
जाना है।
people here are not,
अब ऐसे कैसे होगा,
like
हम
not
वहाँ
safe.
क्यों बैठेंगे,
And I was
तो हम
like, why
अपना
would we go
ताला
and sit
खोला,
just in the center? So we
न्यूज़पेपर
opened
वाले
the
के पास
lock,
चले गए,
went to the
तो दूसरे दिन न्यूज़ आ
newspaper
गई,
department,
हमारी
and the next
फोटो
day
आ
it
गई,
came in the
तो
newspaper
ये
and our
कहते हैं ये
photo
आप
was,
निकले कैसे,
and they said,
गए
how did you
कैसे।
go out?
अभी
How
हम
did you
लोग तो
reach
सेवा
there?
के इतने यूज्ड टू थे,
And we were so
तो
used to
ऐसे
doing
करके
service, so
जब भी
we went
चांस
out.
मिला
So whenever we
मीडिया
got
की
chance,
सर्विस
we
बहुत
went and
करते
did a
थे।
lot of service of the
तो
media we did.
जगदीश भाई और मैं दोनों
Jagdish Pai and
रिप्रेजेंट करते
myself,
थे
we both would go
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन,
and
स्पेशली दिस
represent.
62, 63, 64।
तो पॉलिटिकल उसमें
Just
ज़्यादा थे,
reminding of the year
और मीडिया
where
का
she
ज़्यादा
did
करते
VIP
थे।
service again.
अच्छा, तो दीदी अभी आप हमें ये पीरियड जब मम्मा जब
So when Mama
अव्यक्त
became
हुई
Avyakt in 1965,
1964 65
between
के
the age
दौरान
64-65,
आपने काफ़ी
you
मम्मा
have
का
you have seen
देखा
a lot of
स्वरूप, और
like a
कैसे
form of
आपके
Mama
सामने
because
सामने
she
ही
became
अव्यक्त हुए,
Avyakt in
तो
front of
वो
you. Your
स्पेशल ईयर का
special
अनुभव
experience we would
वो
like to know.
जानना चाहेंगे।
मामा का
When
जब
we
पता
got to
चला
know
कि
that Mama's health
तबीयत
is
ठीक
not
नहीं है,
doing that
तो
well, I was in Jammu
मैं
and
जम्मू
Kashmir.
में थी, जम्मू कश्मीर में, तो मामा हमारे पास आई हुई थी, तो पता चला, तो फिर रमेश भाई ने उनको बॉम्बे बुला लिया
So Ramesh Bhai called Mama over there, and because Ramesh Bhai's sister Anila Ben was a doctor, she would do treatment of most of the people. And there came a time when Baba said, Mama, come to Madhuban. And then my duty was there to take care of her medical aspects. It's a big family, so there are doctors as well, there's homeopathic doctor as well, Ayurvedic doctor as well. These are alternative medicines. There was one allopathic doctor. He was pretty healthy. He would understand the symptoms. He would never tell her to stop allopathic. Take that as well, along with his medicine. So when he saw Mama, he gave some medicine, and once he said, take this injection. If you can bring this injection from Germany, your life will get extended. Otherwise, there might be 17 days that you would be alive. So for a couple of last couple of months, I spent. So she stayed in Delhi. How did you correspond with Mama? So she would do up and down. She would come. It went back and forth. So when that person said there's 17 days that we didn't know anybody in Germany, how will we get those medicine? Now, because we have a lot of contact from US, it is $4,000-5,000, and Dadi would say, send this medication. And we found out every medical company, there is a mercy mission where they apply free medicine. When we found out about that, we started to supply. Brother Anthony, who was Sister Denny's brother, that time $5,000 was a big amount, and he said, don't worry. She changed her time. She came to the current time, so she's taking her back. So for Mama, what she meant to say is that we couldn't arrange that medicine for Mama, and on the 17th day, as they had said, she left the body. How many days prior she became Avyakt, you were with Mama? She said Manmohini Didi was there, Gulzar Dadi was there, I was there in her room. From how many days prior to her became, about 10 days prior to she became Avyakt, I was with Mama. When Mama left the body, she's like, no, don't. At the end, it was necessary that I stayed in Delhi. The last 10 days shared that all the dadis were seated, but on Mama's face, nothing was visible that of being a patient. Many times the doctor would come and ask, who is the patient? Because all the dadis were also seated. Because she would be seated appropriately, she had a lot of trouble. We would ask Mama, how are you feeling? And she would say, drama is going accurately. Whatever trouble she had, she never expressed that. She said, this is in the drama. Same with Dadi Prakashmani, twice. We were all with her together, and she'd say it's drama and it's moving. They stayed unshakable and immovable stage. No upheaval at all. So the last time when you met Mama, did you feel this was the last? I didn't have the thought, but we knew these are the last moments. Thought she will come. And then all-rounder Dadi from Delhi, and she would say, Lal, that means child, means you sit here, we all were going. All-rounder Dadi said, means child, sweet child, sit here, we will all go and come. So they all came to Madhuban. So for 13 days, I offered bhog to Mama.
24 जून
We
को
couldn't go
मम्मा
to
जी
Madhuban. We
मम्मा
said all the
अव्यक्त
dadis to
हुए और
go.
वहाँ आप दिल्ली में ही
It
थे
was 24
बाकी
June,
सारी
Mama became
दादियाँ फिर
Avyakt,
मधुबन गए थे
and you were in
और
अभी
Delhi.
भोग
गुलजार
लगाया
दादी
And
मम्मा
all
को।
the dadis
गुलजार
went to
दादी तो वहीं
Madhuban.
थी।
Even Dadi
तो आपने
Gulzar,
जब पहला
all went
भोग
to
लगाया
Madhuban.
मम्मा के
She
लिए
was
तो
there
ये
only.
बाबा
तो
ने
नहीं पूछा,
So when you
नहीं
went,
पूछा
ये तो जानती
she was going to ask when you offered first
मतलब
day to Mama Bhog. So that
आते थे,
Didi saying, "Don't
अच्छे
ask me
संदेश
that."
आते थे।
No.
रजौरी
I
गार्डन
would
में ही
get
रहती थी
good,
मैं
very
उतने
good
दिन।
तो आपको
messages. I was
मम्मा के
staying in
अव्यक्त होने
Rajouri
के बाद
Garden at
कैसी
that
फीलिंग
time.
रही मतलब क्या
What
मम्मा
was your
के प्रति
feeling
आपका
after she became
क्या था कि
Avyakt?
सबको ये पता था कि हम दोनों का
Everybody
बहुत प्यार
knew
है, तो लोग सोचते हैं
that we
कि
have a
बहुत
very
अटैचमेंट
nice
होगी।
relationship.
तो बोला अभी
So they
मम्मा
thought
गई, अभी ये
they
लोग
had a
सब
very
चले
good
जाएंगे ज्ञान में,
attachment.
नहीं
They
रहेंगे
thought they
तो
won't
मम्मा
stay
के
in
कारण
Gyan,
से।
they will all leave. They
ये
were all
ऐसी
staying
बात
here
तो नहीं
because
है
of
ना,
Mama.
ये
It's
तो
nothing
मुझे
like
ऐसा
that.
लगता था कि सेवा की जरूरत है
I would think
और
they need me
ट्रस्ट
for
होता है ना,
seva,
मम्मा मेरे
and
ऊपर
Mama would
हमेशा।
trust,
खाने का भी होता था, मैं
whether
अच्छा
even
मैं
for
बना देती,
eating, and I would say I will
ऐसे
make it.
करके बहुत मैंने सेवा की।
I've done a lot of
मम्मा
seva
की
like
तो
that.
हमें तो
She had a lot of trust in me.
एक बाबा बैठा है ना,
One, Baba is
तो फिर
seated.
हमने सोचा नहीं,
So we never
लोगों
thought,
ने ये सोचा कि ये
people
लोग
thought that
बहुत
these
अफेक्टेड
people will
होंगे।
be affected because Mama
देखो
left.
यही लौकिक अलौकिक
This
में
is the
फर्क
difference
होता है।
between a Lokik
लौकिक में दुख
and
है,
the
अलौकिक
Alokik.
में
If
नहीं
there
है।
is Lokikness, there will
ब्रह्मा
be
बाबा ने
sorrow.
अभी नहीं पूरा बता रही,
Even
पर जब
Brahma Baba,
हमें पता चला 1:45 रात को बाबा
12:45,
गए,
दीदी
stuck.
एक मिनट वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे अभी
नहीं
हम
मेरा मतलब कि साइलेंस,
So
जब
when
ऐसी
such
आत्माएं
souls
जाती
leave
है
the
ना,
body, there
एकदम
is
साइलेंस हो
absolute
जाती है,
silence.
दुख नहीं होता,
There is no sorrow. There is no
सेपरेशन नहीं
feeling of
फील होती,
separation.
ये
We
लगता है कि ये
feel that they
लोग
have
ऊपर
gone
हैं।
beyond.
बिल्कुल
It's the
ऐसी
same
फीलिंग
feeling when
मम्मा भी
Mama
जब
became
गई तो
Avyakt. I
आंसू
didn't
तो मुझे,
cry
हमने तो
at
नहीं
all.
बनाए,
Absolutely not.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
आपने मम्मा
You
को
have
अव्यक्त
seen Mama in the
स्थिति
Avyakt
में
stage.
देखा कुछ क्योंकि उस दौरान तो सबसे पहले
So it was
मम्मा गई
Mama who
तो
became
मम्मा ही
Avyakt
सबसे पहले
first.
अव्यक्त हुए ऐसा कहने में आया ना दीदी कि अभी ये
The
अव्यक्त
Murli
देखो
हुए।
was being
मुरली चल
shared,
रही होती थी,
and Mama couldn't
हम
go
तो
to
मम्मा
listen to the
जा नहीं
Murli.
पाते थे।
Why do I say
मैं
to
क्यों
everyone,
कैसे
listen
उन
to
लोगों को
Murli?
रोज मुरली
Today,
सुनाऊं?
if you can
मैंने
go,
कहा
if
आज
there
आप
is the
जा
car
सकते
is
हो,
there,
आज
your
गाड़ी
legs
है,
are good,
आपकी
there will
टांगे
be a
अच्छी हैं,
day
आप
when
बैठ
you
सकते
are
हो।
just not able
कोई
to
दिन
go.
ऐसा होगा जा ही नहीं
Then you'll say, oh,
सकोगे,
I want to go to
तब कहोगे अरे
center.
मुझे
Hope
तो
somebody can
सेंटर
take
जाना है,
me.
कोई
And when
मुझे
you
ले
could
चले। और जब
go,
जा सकते
you
हो
are sitting
तो
at
घरों
home.
में
I
बैठो।
really say, as
मैं
long
सबको
as
कहती
you
हूँ
are
रियली,
young, as long as
कि
you can
जब तक
come.
यंग हो
Tomorrow, if
आप
there are
आ
riots
सकते
and
हो,
curfew, you won't be able
कल
to come.
कर्फ्यू लग जाए तो क्या
If your
करोगे?
body is not doing
नहीं आ
well
सकते हो ना,
now,
तबीयत
even if your
खराब होगी,
health is
अभी
good,
तबीयत भी ठीक
they're
है
not coming
तो
to
भी घर
Baba's
में बैठे
home.
हैं,
I feel
शायद
surprised
बाबा के
when
घर
I
नहीं
see
आ
and
रहे
hear
हैं,
this.
थोड़ा
And
आश्चर्य
Mama,
सा लगता है राइट। तो क्या था कि मम्मा तो उस समय
she
जा
couldn't
नहीं
go to the
पाती थी,
class,
तो
so
माइक
there
लगा
was a
हुआ था,
mic and she
मुरली
would
सुनती
listen.
थी। किसी ने
Mama,
कहा
somebody
मम्मा
said to Mama,
आप तो
you
मुरली
shared
चढ़ाते हो,
Murli. You
आपके
have
लिए सारा ज्ञान है,
you have
मुरली
all
क्यों
the knowledge.
सुनते हो?
Why do you have to listen to Murli?
बोला
So Mama
देखती हूँ
said,
हर
I
बात की
check.
स्वरूप
Have
बनी
I
हूँ,
become an embodiment of
मैंने जो
everything?
सेवा में बाबा कराना
Whatever
चाहता था
seva
वो
that
की है,
Baba wanted me to
मैं
do, have I
अपने को
done it?
चेक
I
करती
keep
रहती हूँ,
checking. And
इसलिए
that
मैं
is
मुरली
why I'm
सुनती हूँ।
listening.
तो मम्मा हमेशा
That's
मुरली
why
में
the
नहीं
Murli
कहती है
Mama
कि
would say,
मुरली
it's a nectar
मधुरतम
and it
अमृत
is
भी
also
है तो
Murli's
दवाई भी है।
medicine. And
कभी
if you
मुरली
don't
न
listen to
सुनने कभी
Murli, the
माया आ
Maya
जाती
will
है ना,
come.
तो मुरली में मजा नहीं आता है, वो दवा करके पियो, क्योंकि
So
मजा नहीं आ रहा
take it
इसका
as
मतलब
even
बीमार
if
है।
you don't
तो
enjoy, take it as a
एग्जाम्पल देते
medicine.
थे, जैसे बुखार आता है ना
So
तो
when you
खाने
get
को मन नहीं
fever,
करता,
you
मुंह
don't
ऐसा
feel
हो
like
जाता है
eating,
कड़वा। तो जब
your
मुरली अच्छी न
mouth, your
लगे तो
taste
गड़बड़ है,
become bitter. So if you
क्या
don't
गड़बड़ है,
feel
बुखार
like
माया
listening
ने
to Murli,
चढ़ाया हुआ है।
so you've got fever of Maya.
ऐसा मतलब कहती थी मामा।
Mama would say
और फिर
that.
कहती थी ये ज्ञान के बाण भी हैं,
These are the
तलवार भी
arrows
हैं,
of
तो
knowledge. This is
मुरली
the
का
sword of
महत्व,
knowledge, the
ये
significance
चलते
of
फिरते
Murli.
मुरली पढ़ लेना,
To just read Murli as
आपस
you're
में बैठ
walking
के मुरली
around.
ठीक है, लेकिन
Okay, but
ऑफिशियली
officially,
जैसे
as
मैंने
I
आपको बताया
mentioned,
नहीं
if you
जा पाते हैं,
cannot go
उसी टाइम
at
पर
that
ही
time,
जूम में सफेद कपड़े
wear
पहन के
your
बैच
badge,
लगा
wear
के,
your
जैसे
white clothes, like
अभी
how you all
बैठे
are
हैं बैठो,
seated. Sit like that on
सेम।
Zoom.
अच्छा
Okay, if
नहीं
you're not
आते,
able to
क्यों नहीं
come,
आते, कोई
they keep
कहता है
saying
इसलिए
because of
इसलिए,
this. I
मैं तो सब
think these are
बहाने ही
just
मानती हूँ,
excuses
क्योंकि
because you're
आपका
body, you have a vehicle, you have all the resources, and still you're sitting at home unless you have to go to a job and there's urgency. Mama was the Murlidhar. Still, she was listening to the Murli. There was not a day when she missed it. Unless we are able to listen to the Murli accurately.
अभी मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं सवेरे अमृत वेले के बाद एक बार टेलीग्राम में मैं हमेशा सुनती हूँ.
After Amrit Vela, I listen to the Murli from Telegram, and then I'll connect to Harmony House. Wherever there is Murli going on, I definitely listen, because when I listen, there are so many points that get touched, and I go into the depth of it, and I never want to miss it. So this is the foundation, and Mama was doing it till the end. And we offer grapes in Mama's bowl, because the first time where Baba's cottages, there was a grapes wine, and they had harvested that. So Baba sent grapes for everyone, and Mama gave that. After Murli, Mama shared those grapes to everybody. So even till today, we offer grapes. And every Wednesday, Mama would cook. She would make khichdi and white potatoes. She would never put any turmeric. Yes, and it would make she would keep it white. We call it as जीरा.
दीदी आज के लिए एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन और फिर आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे.
This is the last question for today.
मम्मा से आपको पर्सनली कोई वरदान,
any blessing, any teaching that you got personally from Mama, or anything that touched you? We kept asking Mama, do you remember Shiv Baba a lot or Brahma Baba? So she would say, can I separate them? When I remember Shiv Baba, he says, follow Brahma Baba. When I follow Brahma Baba, he says, remember Shiv Baba. How can I separate them? What is 50-50? They both are in 100%. So she would share very nice things, and we would ask her. Once Mama shared a very nice thing with me. She would give a lot of importance to our yoga, our meditation. I would have a lot of interest. These days, they are not yog, and you can know. Mama would say that if you have taken a Mercedes car and it drives very fast, and there is a small bridge, when you go to Abu, there's a small bridge, and in front of you there is a bullock cart, and you have a Mercedes. What can you do? You can't do anything. You have to go very slowly. You're going in the Mercedes. So she would say, the one who has the power of yoga, the bullock cart will not come in front of the Mercedes. So the small obstacles, the big obstacles, many keep asking, increase your power of yoga, then you will have the touching. You will not have any loss, as if you'll keep moving forward. There won't be anything to stop you. And I really like that. And once Mama shared,
फिर एक बार मामा ने कहा, राजयोग ऐसे तो मतलब कठिनाइयां तो आती ही है ना, माया की परीक्षा आती है.
There will be a lot of obstacles, isn't it? Maya's challenges come. There is accounts that has to be settled. On the path, there are thorns, but the one who is yog-yukt, every thorn will become a flower, and you will walk as if you're walking in a garden of flowers. So Mama would share beautiful things. I'm remembering some of it, not everything, but even Mama's Murli is to be in such that there is a book called Gyan Sarita, which has a collection of all Mama's Murli. Definitely keep it with you and read that book. Thank you, Didi. Lots and lots. 2 more books are very nice. I was telling Sister Savi. One is Pure Money, which is we have got it translated from Hindi to English. It's written by Ramesh. That is the book that we gave everyone about the pure money. Staying in the lokik, in the household, what should we do? And second, the Maryadas of Confluence Age, that is also written by Ramesh Bhai. Very nice aspect for administration. It is very nice for systems.
वो किताब भी अभी
That
हमने
book
इंग्लिश में
also
ट्रांसलेट
we have
करके
got
छपवाई
it
है।
translated
तो
into
हिंदी
English.
वाले हिंदी में
Those want
पढ़ो,
to read in Hindi, read in
इंग्लिश
Hindi.
वाले हिंदी
Read
में
in
भी
English
पढ़ो।
if you know English. You have to
थोड़ा
read.
पढ़ना
Keep
चाहिए
all
सब
these
रख
books
को
with
अपने
you.
पास। मैं तो जब यहाँ तो नहीं ना, वहाँ पर पीस विलेज
Not
में
here, but
खाना
when I go
खाने
to
जाती हूँ,
Peace Village,
जब
till
तक
the
प्लेट
plate
आए
comes,
वो
I
तो
would read
एक
one
चैप्टर
chapter
पढ़ लेती हूँ।
from the
पुरुषोत्तम उसका
Purushottam
रखा हुआ
effort.
था। ये
She said, I have
मैंने
read all
सारी
these
पढ़
books.
लिया
कुछ साल पहले ना,
I've read it a
कुछ साल
couple
पहले।
of years ago.
या
थैंक यू दीदी।